In this video, we'll show how to set the modes of operation on both the trap and RADIOTRAP. These systems are supplied in FSK mode. However, you can set the mode of operation from FSK to LoRa mode 1 up to LoRa mode 4 to achieve further operating distances. So first, on the transmitters, open up the enclosure, then operate this push button. This LED on the right will flash once. Wait a few seconds for the LED to flash again. Then patiently operate this button to cycle through your modes. So LoRa mode 1, LoRa mode 2, LoRa mode 3, and 5 flashes for LoRa mode 4. Wait for the transmitter to drop out of config mode. And that's all set on your transmitter. On your receiver, open up your enclosure and temporarily place a jumper link on link 3. The receiver will beep once. Now press your push button the number of times you'd like to set your mode to. And LoRa mode 4. Remove the jumper link. So when placing your system into a different mode of operation, you'll need to repair your transmitters to the receiver. And that's it. Configuring your mode of operation on the trap and RADIOTRAP systems. To find out more about using the trap or RADIOTRAP, view our video playlist on the RF Solutions YouTube channel, or see the video description below. Thanks for watching.